A very happy morning, children. Today, in this topic, again we are going to discuss building numbers, but this time there is a change. That means we are going to repeat the digits. In the previous topic, whatever we have discussed, there we have seen that the digits are not going to be repeated, but now in this topic we will discuss about the repetition of numbers. It means that you will be get less number of digits, but the number which you are going to form will have more digits. So let's start with the example, then the thing or the matter will be more clear. Okay, I am going to write first of all few digits on the board and then we will form the numbers. Okay, suppose the digits I have written are 9, 1 and 3. So I have written 3 digits, basically 9, 1 and 3. And the question is, form greatest and smallest 4-digit number. Listen to it clearly. 3 digits are given, but we have to form 4-digit number. Now, what to do? If we have to form 4-digit number, we have to repeat the given digit. Now, there is a question. Which digit we have to repeat? Because 3 different digits are given and we have to understand which digit will be repeated in which question. Okay, so let's first solve if there will be no repetition. Okay, simply by following that only we will come to the answer of this question. The question was form greatest and smallest 4-digit number. Okay, so first of all we are going to form greatest number as well as we have to form the smallest number. Now, for greatest number, what we have to do? As we know that for forming greatest number, we have to arrange the given digits in descending order. Okay? So, we are going to do the same work. We are going to arrange the digits in descending order. But I'll put few places blank in the front part. So, a little bit blank place I have left and I am going to arrange. Among all these three digits, 9 is the greatest digit. So this one I have to write first because we have to arrange in descending order. Then among 1 and 3, 3 is greater than 1. So this is the arrangement. This one which we have got is just a 3-digit number, but we require 4-digit number. So we have to repeat. Now just you have to remember one thing. For greatest number, we will repeat the greatest digit. Okay? For greatest number, we have to repeat the greatest digit, and for smallest number, we have to repeat the smallest digit. Am I clear? For greatest number, we will repeat the greatest digit. Now just see to it how many digits we require. 4 digit and we are having 3 only. So it means we need one more digit. And as I told you right now that for greatest number, we will repeat the greatest digit. Greatest digit obviously here is 9. So we will write here 9. It means that the answer which we have got is 9931, which is 9931. Okay? Now the same thing we are going to do with the smallest one. Smallest number we have to arrange in ascending order. Hope so you all remember. So if you arrange all these digits in ascending order, so very simple. 1, the smallest one, after 3 the greater one is 3 and the 9 is the greatest one. And I told you rule, if we have to repeat in case of smallest number, we will repeat the smallest digit. We require 4-digit number. We are having only 3. It means we need one more digit. We have to repeat one digit. So in smallest we will repeat 1 because 1 is the smallest in this case. So now by this process we can get the smallest and greatest number with repetition. Okay. So this is the process. But one problem you may face if again the same thing I told you, 0 is given. So let's check one question where we are going to find out 0. Again I am going to give you one more example. Okay. So let's come with that topic. So suppose the digit is 7, 0, 8, 3. Okay, so 4 digits are written here, 7083. And the question is, form greatest and smallest 6-digit number. Okay, just listen it carefully. Form greatest and smallest 6-digit number. Okay, so 6 digit we have to form, and we have given with only 4, 7, 0, 8 and 3. So let's form first the greatest number. Let's see how to do. You all know very well. So first we will form the greatest number, and then we will form the smallest number. Okay. So as we know the rule, for greatest number we have to arrange in descending order. Okay. So if we are going to arrange in descending order, we have to first find out the greatest digit. Here in this case it is 8. I told you earlier, leave few places blank in the front. So 8, I have left few places. Then next one is 7. And among 0 and 3, the greater is 3 and then 0. We need 6-digit number, and we got only 4 digits. We need 2 more digits. So we will repeat the greatest greatest digit 2 more times. So 8 is written already one time here. We will write 2 more times here only, at the place where 8 is. Means if 8 is at the beginning, we will write 8 again in the beginning only. So what we have to write? Again 2 times 8. So what we have got actually? We have got here 8,88,730. Okay. So basically, if 0 is given, then also we are going to follow the same rule in case of repetition. Just you have to be a little bit conscious in case of smallest number. Okay. So what we are going to do here? Again we are going to arrange in descending order. Okay. Descending order we have to do. But I told you now how to do. If we are going to put the 0 at the beginning, it will become a 3-digit number, because in the beginning 0 doesn't have any value. So what we will do? What is the number just bigger than 0? In this case, it is 3 here. So we should write 3 in the beginning. Okay. Now after 3, now we can write 0. Now whatever is left, we will arrange the remaining numbers in ascending order. So we are left with 7 and 8. So we will arrange 7 and 8 in descending order. So first we will write 7 and then we will write 8. Now, as I told you earlier, in case of greatest number, we have to repeat the greatest digit. In case of smallest number, we have to repeat the smallest digit. Here in this case, the smallest is 0. But we can't write 0 in the beginning. There will be a problem. We know 0, if it is written at the beginning, it won't have any value. So we will repeat 0. But where? This question. So wherever 0 is located, at that place only we are going to repeat 0. That means if 0 is just after 3, so remaining 2 times more 0, whatever we have to write, we will write after 3 only. So this time, actually what will happen, I am going to show you. 0 will be repeated at the same place and 3 will be written in the beginning. So you just clear this concept where you have to repeat. Wherever the number exists, there only you have to repeat. If the number is in the beginning, we will repeat in the beginning. If number is at the second place, we will repeat. If the digit is at the second place, we will repeat the digit at the second place only. Okay. So here today we have completed the topic building numbers with repetition as well as without repetition, where 0 was given and in absence of 0 also. Thank you so much, student. We will meet again in the next video with a new topic. Thank you so much.